I don't even own a coffee machine. Flipping on the camera this morning because I have this question that's sort of been nagging me for a couple of weeks. And it's about stuff versus habits. There are two areas in my house, both shelves, multiple shelves together, that just collects. And I can't decide if it's about the stuff not having a home, the stuff itself, do I just need to part with it? Or if it's me, if it's my habits, that I still allow things to clutter up. I went back to the library and got this book again by Jennifer Nicole, Easy Minimalist Living. She starts breaking down each of the days and how you can spend 30 days decluttering. She tells you to write a letter breaking up with your stuff and make a list of the reasons why you're breaking up with your stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do now so that I stop decluttering things I've already decluttered.
You can't turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey,
The games were easy to pile up because they were just going to go in the game cabinet downstairs, but everything else really needed to find its home. And so I would pick something up and think about it and then put it where it belonged. This is the Magic Treehouse series that my son is currently reading through, and I needed to find a home for it, so we moved it to the basement, to the homeschool room. We have them all in order, and he's flying through this series. He's reading like 2-3 a day. I'm really glad that I'm putting this much thought into each thing that's on that shelf. I wasn't thinking about where it belonged. It didn't have a home. Half of this is from the library, the other half we own. Now he can come here. He's been choosing them in order off of the IKEA shelf upstairs and choosing 1, 2, 3 to go to bed with. So now he can choose from here.
waiting down the line. So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line. When you're near me. When you're near me.
Look at that, ready to be sold. I sold the shelf and the baskets to go with it. went to a child therapist who does play therapy, so I'm very happy that she needed it for her office, and it's gone from this space. And now we're just going to live with this space for a little while and see how things get rearranged. Up next is the kitchen overflow shelf in the basement. So these are the paper towels that I have left. I had stopped buying paper towels and I started using microfiber towels, but I still had a full pack, so I'm down to 4. My mom prefers paper towels, so when she's here and she's watching the kids, I have paper towels out. Just a cluttered mess, right? But it's still useful. I just have to make it better, so it's not like this unsightly mess that I walk into. So that's what I need to do. That's what I need to figure out, basically. Like, oops. Headrest for the car. What am I doing? I'm moving clutter. That's what I'm doing. I do not make pies. Ever. Ever. And I hung on to this in Kitchen Declutter for some reason. Like I had aspirations of being a pie maker. I don't know. I don't even know what this is. So one thing I got rid of off the floor down there was this box of dog bones. Putting the headrest back in the car. Trash, because it's missing the pieces. The dog chewed the pieces. This is going to go to my mom. This is for my mom to have here.